Right. In the last class, I have explained you what are the technologies we are going to learn. Okay, right. And what are the things we have. Okay, and I have explained the syllabus also. Now today class, what we are going to do is we are going to enter into the HTML related introduction. So Sai, you also attended right previous class on the Friday, something like that.
Yeah, no, sir. Actually, I saw in demo in YouTube.
Okay, okay,
On
right.
yeah,
Yeah. So you watched that also. Okay, right.
yeah.
So Rushi also attended right in the Friday class.
Yes, sir. I attended.
Right, right. Yes. Okay, right. So now we are going to enter to that HTML introduction. But before that, we are going to the okay one more time HTML related things. Okay, everybody who developed and one more time we'll discuss. Then after I will tell you what are the who okay HTML related introduction. So first thing is who developed this HTML. If you want to learn any type of technology, if you want to learn any type of technology, so first of all we need to know who developed the technology, for what purpose they have developed the technology, okay, and what is the rules of the technology, what are the limitations of the technology. This is what we need to learn. Okay, understand it everybody, right? So first of all, who developed the HTML? So HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. What is that everybody? Who is that everybody? HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Then after, why HTML was developed? So if there is any development, there should be some purpose. So why they have developed? To create web pages or website. To create web pages or website. Then what is a website? Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains information. So a entire website, what is the main purpose is to provide the information only. But whenever we are providing the information, entire information we cannot write in a single page. Entire information we cannot write in a single page. Okay, everybody. For example, if you are reading book also, they cannot display entire information in a single page. They don't display entire information also in the single page. So what is the thing they will do? They will divide into chapters. Then each and every chapter they will divide into paragraphs. Then we can read that information very clearly. Then we can read that information very clearly. In the same way, whenever you want to develop any website also, entire information. So okay, see if you are developing an application also, entire information we cannot display in a single page. Okay, right. We will divide into multiple pages, but all the multiple pages related to one particular application only. All multiple pages related to one particular application only. Okay, everybody, right. So in order to design a single web page also, in order to develop entire application also, we need to have only, okay, so we need to have only one language, that is what HTML and CSS, to provide structure for our data. Okay, right, HTML and CSS only. So that's why we need to use this HTML language. So that means, understand it everybody. So that means in the internet or else in a website, what we will get? Information. So in which format we can provide the information? In which format we can provide the information? We can provide the information, okay, in four ways. We can provide the information in four ways. We can provide the information in the video format. For example, if we observe youtube.com, okay, so the okay, there we can get we can provide the information in the video format. If you work in a Wikipedia, there we can provide the information in the text format. There we can provide the information in the text format. For example, if you open Myntra.com or Amazon.in or Flipkart.com, then we can provide the information in the form of images. Of course, everywhere there will be text also. Okay, but main priority is in the Myntra also, Amazon also, there is images. By seeing the images only, we are able to purchase. Okay, just because of the text, we are not able to purchase in the Amazon and the Flipkart and Myntra.com, something like that. Okay, and if you observe, go to the kukufm.com, something like that. There also we are providing the information, but in audio format. So we can provide the information in four ways. Okay, text format, then after images format, then video format. Nowadays, audio format also we are providing the information. Okay, right. So this is what we are doing. With the help of the website, we are providing the information. Then what is the purpose of the website? Just now I told to share the information across the wall. So how to share the information across the world? For example, I have created a okay application. So do that application can be available for entire world? Do that application can be available for entire world? Definitely not. If you want to make available to the entire world, we need to purchase domain name. Okay, we need to purchase domain name and we need to purchase hosting space also. So domain name is our application name. For example, see here, this is the Gmail. So mail.google.com. This is the domain. This is the zoom.us. Okay, this is the domain name. In the same way, this is mintra.com. Mintra is the domain name. Then after google.com. Google is the domain name. Google.com is the domain name. So we need to have a domain name, which is nothing but a application name. Okay, right. Then after hosting space. So whenever you want to develop an application, okay, we need to write the code. So that code where we will write in our local computer, in our own computer only we will write that. That code we will need to move to the online server also. Okay, everybody, online server also. So why? Because whenever you write code, it will occupy some space. For example, see here everybody, I have taught previously this class. Think this is the application. How much space is occupying? 77 MB it is occupying. How much space everybody? 77 MB it is occupying in my computer. In the same space, I need to occupy in the server also. I need to occupy in the server also. That's why I need to purchase the space. That space can be called as hosting space. That space can be called as hosting space. So whenever there is domain name and whenever there is a hosting space available, then only your application can be available for the entire world. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then who will send this hosting space and domain name? GoDaddy.com, BigGround.com. They will sell you also. They will sell you also. Google also will sell you that. Yahoo also will sell you that. Okay, everybody. That type of servers they will maintain. Okay, everybody. Right. So there we need to purchase. So this is about this. Then after where we to purchase in the www. Then after who developed this www? Tim Berners-Lee has developed this www. www stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web. So with the help of this World Wide Web, we are able to provide the information across the world. We are able to provide the information across the world. Okay, right. Then after, clear it everybody? This is about the website related information. Okay, right. Now we are going to enter into the HTML related information. What is that, everybody? HTML related information. What is HTML? HTML is a markup language which is used to provide proper internal structure for our web page. What it is, everybody? HTML is a markup language. Markup language means tag based language that is used to provide proper internal structure for our web page. What is that, everybody? That is used to provide proper internal structure for our web page. So HTML provides internal structure. So whenever there is a designing, there will be two structures, especially web designing. What is that? Internal structure and the external structure. What is that, everybody? Internal structure and the external structure. Clear it, everyone? Okay. For example, if you compare with a wall, what is the internal structure of a wall? What is the internal structure of a wall? Respond, everyone. Don't be silent. What is the internal structure of a wall?
Paint.
What is the internal structure I'm asking? Bricks and cement. What is it, everybody? Bricks and cement is the internal structure of a wall. Then after, what is the external structure of a wall? What is the external structure of wall?
Yeah,
Plastic, cement.
design.
Okay, but what is the external structure of a wall?
Paint.
Okay, right. So actually we'll think that paint, but actually before paint we need to do plastering. What is it, everybody? Plastering. So without plastering, if you paint also, that does not look good. Okay, everybody. So first of all, we need to do. Okay. So we need to construct a wall with the help of bricks and cement. Then after, okay, everybody, then after we need to plaster that. Then only we are able to paint that. So here bricks and cement is the internal structure. Plastering and paint is the external structure. Okay, everybody. So HTML provides for internal structure. That means plan for our data only. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Then after, what is the full form of HTML? So actually HTML is single word. Since there is an abbreviation, I have divided into multiple things. What is that? HT.M.L. HT stands for hypertext. M stands for markup. L stands for language. What is it, everybody? HT stands for hypertext. M stands for markup. L stands for language. Okay, everybody, right? So generally I'm asking, generally why we need to use a language? Why we need to use a language? Generally, why we need to use a language? General languages, not computer languages. General languages. For what purpose?
Interact.
Communicate.
Interact.
For communication purpose. What is it, everybody? Communication purpose. What a language contains? What a language contains? What a language contains?
Words.
What a language contains, everybody? First of all, it should contain alphabets. With the help of alphabets only we can make words. With the help of words only we can make sentences. Okay. But how a sentence should be? How a sentence should be? How a sentence should be with the proper grammar. For example, come here, go there. Like that we need to write. Okay, we should not write like come, go, there, here. Can we write like that? Come, go, here, there. Can we write like that? Respond, everybody. Respond. Come, go, here, there. Like that we can write. No. Why?
No.
Though come also, go also, here also, there also, both are belongs to English language. But still we need to follow the syntax, grammar. Come here, go there. Like that we need to write. Okay, everybody? Right.
Okay.
So, hello? Yeah. So a language, a normal language should contain alphabets. Okay, predefined keywords. Okay, that means words. Words, with the help of words we can make sentences. With the sentences should follow grammar. In the same way, coming to this computer languages also, why we are calling it as a language? Why? Because it is communicating with the web browser. Okay, it is communicating with the web browser. Who? HTML is communicating with the web browser. Sir, how it is communicating? By using HTML related predefined keywords. What are they? For example, H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, IMG tag, audio tag, video tag, table tag, div tag, iframe tag. Okay. Thereafter input type text tags. That type of tags we have. Anchor tag, strong tag, D tag. So many predefined keywords we have. With the help of that keywords, it is communicating with the web browser. Give this particular structure to my data like that. Sir, how it is communicating? With the help of predefined keywords. Sir, how that words are made? Very simple, by using English alphabets. What is it, everybody? By using English alphabets. Clear it, everyone? What is it, everyone? By using English alphabets only, we need to write that HTML language. So HTML is using English alphabets, and HTML has its own predefined words, keywords also. Okay, everybody, and with the help of keywords, it is communicating with the web browser. How? Very simple. That keywords, whatever that belongs to HTML, we should write in the markup tags. Markup tags are the syntax for the grammar of the HTML language. Markup tags are the syntax of the HTML language. General languages, we need to call it as grammar. But coming to computer languages, we need to call it as syntax. What is it, everybody? Syntax. So all the predefined keywords related to HTML, we must write in the markup tags. Sir, what are markup tags? Very simple. Markup tags means less than, greater than can be called as, less than slash greater than can be called as markup tags. Angle brackets can be called as markup tags. So whenever there is less than and greater than, okay, in middle we need to write it. That can be called as opening tag or starting tag. Less than slash greater than, that can be called as closing tag or ending tag. So all the predefined keywords related to HTML, we must write in between the tags. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear, sir.
Clear.
Okay, everyone? Right. So that's why we're calling it as language. So just because of that, can we call it as a language? General languages like Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, okay, English, we can call it as. But coming to computer languages, not only that, okay. So we need to have, okay, interpreters or compilers also. Why? Why? Because we are writing by using English alphabets. Computer cannot understand English language. In that matter, in that case, computer cannot understand human reading, writing, speaking languages. Human reading, writing, speaking languages. Computer cannot understand that. Okay, everybody? Computer cannot understand that. Computer can understand only binary language. Sir, what are the alphabets we have in the binary language? There is no alphabets in the binary language. There is only numerics. Sir, how many numbers there is in alphabet? There is only two numbers, 0 and 1. So computer can understand only 0 and 1. Okay, can you write entire program by using 0 and 1? For example, if you want to type like hi everyone, how are you? So that purpose we need to write a 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 like that. Can we write like that? No. So what are the language computer knows? That means 0 1s that we cannot program. And whatever the language human knows, like English, Telugu, Urdu, whatever it may be, that computer cannot understand. Okay, in that case, what is the thing we need to do? We need to arrange a translator. Okay, everybody, right? Normal language, human language, you can call it as translator. For example, if you want to speak with a Japanese person, okay, everybody, if you want to speak with a Japanese person, then what is the thing you will do? You don't know how to speak in Japanese. That Japanese person don't know how to speak in Telugu. What we will do? We'll arrange a translator. What is it, everybody? We'll arrange a translator. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. So whenever you speak, he will convert that into Japanese language. Whenever the Japanese person responded, he will convert that into Telugu language. So that both parties can be benefited. Both parties can be benefited. Both persons can be benefited. Okay. In the same way, here computer knows only 0 1s. We cannot program by using only 0 and 1s. So we need to arrange a translator. Computer language, we need to call it as interpreters or compilers. Especially since it is a markup language, it will use interpreters only. What is it, everybody? Interpreters only. So each and every language should contain their own interpreters or compilers. Okay, everybody, their own interpreters or compilers. Okay, everybody. Sir, do I need to get these interpreters? Do I need to install these interpreters? Or else from where I need to get these interpreters? So no need to get these interpreters from anywhere. Automatically they will come along with the browser. Automatically they will come along with the browser. Whenever you install a browser, automatically that interpreters also will come. Okay, each and every browser contains 3 interpreters. Each and every browser contains 3 interpreters. What are they? HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, JavaScript interpreter. HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, JavaScript interpreter. Each and every application contains 3 interpreters. These interpreters are browser to browser. For example, Mozilla Firefox interpreters are different from Google Chrome. Google Chrome's interpreters are different from IE. IE interpreters are different from Opera. Opera's are interpreters are different from Safari. Okay, everybody, they are just like our bank accounts. For example, nowadays everybody having bank accounts, but okay, for example, we are all having HDFC bank accounts. Think like that, but our accounts will be different. For example, if you deposit 1 lakh in your account, I cannot withdraw that. If I deposit 10 lakhs in my account, you cannot withdraw that. So everybody having bank accounts, but they are different. In the same way, every browser contains interpreters, but they are different from one browser to another browser. Is this point clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, right. Now tell me how many interpreters each and every browser contains? 3 interpreters. What are they? What are they? HTML, CSS, and Java. Okay, right. Sir, just because of having interpreters, we can call it as a language. 95% we can call, but other 5% also matters. What is that? Since we have a language, that since we have interpreter, that interpreter has to recognize our language. That interpreter has to recognize our language. How that interpreter will recognize that language? Very simple, very simple, with the extension. That's why each and every language should have their own extension. Each and every language should have their own extension. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Each and every language should have their own extension. Okay, everybody? Right. So what is that extension? For example, HTML purpose .html, CSS purpose .css, JavaScript purpose .javascript .js. Java has .java extension. PHP has .php extension. C has .c extension. C++ has .cpp extension. Python has .py extension. So each and every language should have their own extension. By using the extensions only, that language related interpreters or compilers recognize that particular language related code. Clear it, everybody? Please respond.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, right. Since HTML has its one predefined words, that words can be made with the HTML, with the help of English alphabets. Okay, by using that words, we are able to communicating with the web browser by following particular syntax. That syntax is markup tags, and not only that, HTML has its own interpreters. By default, they are available in each and every browser. And not only that, HTML contains their own extension also, .html extension. That's why we are calling it as a language. That's why we are calling it as a language. Okay, everybody? Right. So I have explained about language also. I have explained about markup also. Then after, what is the meaning of this hypertext? What is that, everybody? What is the meaning of this hypertext? So hypertext means structured text. What is that, everybody? Structured text. What is that, everybody? Structured text or structured data. For example, if you observe here, Myntra.com. So how is this Myntra.com? Observe here, everybody. Here each and everything we have different products, but each and everything is displaying with proper structure or not? Respond, everybody. Each and everything is proper structure or not? See it. This is the image size. In these different brands, they are promoting here. Okay. This is the collective. This is Nautica. This is FC UK. This is a okay US Polo maybe. This is a Boohoo Man. This is Mango. See it, everybody. Here we are displaying the data, but with a proper structure. Okay, okay, fine. I want to purchase this Nautica shirts. Click there. We are displaying here so many products also, but all the products has particular structure or not? Respond, everybody. This is the image size. This is the product brand. Whenever you open it, this is what it is displaying here. Respond, everyone. Coming or not? Don't be silent. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. How they are coming? How they are coming? How they are coming with the proper structure? Who is providing this? Who is providing this? By using HTML, it will be giving a plan. Then after, by using CSS, we are beautifying that. That's why it is coming like this. That's why it is coming like this. Okay, everybody. Okay, right. This is about this. Okay, hypertext means what? Structured text or structured data. For example, see it. This is not text. This is an image, but it has a structure. And if you observe there, Nautica, Nautica, pure cotton polo t-shirt. What is that? Pure text only. Price rupees 2,999. What is that? Pure text only. What is that, everybody? Pure text only. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Okay, pure text only. So not only for text, we can provide structure to our images also. In that case, audio and video also we are able to provide the structure. Okay, that's why we can call it as structured text or structured data. What is that, everybody? Structured data. Okay, everyone, is it clear? Respond this.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, right. What we can call it as structured data. What is that, everybody? Structured data. Okay, this is one thing we need to understand. Okay, right. So hypertext means what? Structured data. So see it, everybody. Hypertext means structured data, and we can provide hyperlinks to our data. Hypertext means our structured data, and whatever the data we have, we can provide hyperlinks to our data also. For example, I want to purchase this shirt, 351 rupees. I want to purchase this. Then what is the thing I am doing? I am clicking here. Whenever you click, where it is coming? It is going to the product details page. What is it, everybody? It is going to the product details page. Understanding or not? Respond, everyone. It is going to the product details page. How this page is coming? Because this page link I have given to this page, to this product. This page link I have given to this particular page. That's why it is coming like this. So not only providing data, we can give hyperlinks also. With the help of hyperlinks, we can navigate from one page to another page in the same application or different application also. This can be called as hypertext. So we can provide structure to our data. We can provide hyperlinks to our data also. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. What is hypertext? Okay. So this is the total meaning of hypertext markup language. This is the total meaning of hypertext markup language. That's it, everybody. So we need to, if we analyze the abbreviation properly, then automatically we will get 50% of the subject easily. Okay, in the abbreviation they will tell purpose of the language also, what we can do, what we cannot do also. Okay, everybody, right? This is about hypertext markup language. Sir, what is the limitation of HTML? That means what we can do. See, we can design any type of web page by using an HTML CSS also. There is no limitation designing wise, but there is only limitation, okay, coding wise only. What is that? We are not able to get the error. For example, if you made any mistake related to any particular tag, HTML does not throw any error. HTML does not throw any error. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. HTML does not throw any error. Simply it will throw wrong output. It does not give the structure whatever you want. HTML also says also same problem. What is that? If there is any problem, it does not throw any error. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
So it does not throw any error. That is the working culture of HTML and CSS also. Okay, right. Now see here what is hypertext. I have explained you and what is the syntax of HTML. All the predefined keywords related to HTML we must write in the markup tags. Okay, markup tags means what? Angle brackets. Angle brackets means less than and greater than. Here we need to write the keyword tag. Then after less than slash greater than, and in middle also we need to write the same keyword tag. In middle, if you want, you can write anything also. For example, see it, everybody, syntax, keyword, angle brackets, in middle of the angle brackets, so open the keyword, whatever you want. In middle, write the content. Then after same keyword, close. For example, see here, everybody, Ramesh. What is Ramesh? What is Ramesh? Content. What is it, everybody? Content. Clear it, everybody? What is Ramesh? Content. Then after strong, what is strong? Predefined keyword. Predefined keyword in the HTML. Okay, Ramesh is the content here, strong is the predefined keyword here. So if you want to use this keyword on this text, then what I think we need to do is this. Okay, we need to use like a tag only. So if you write this keyword inside this angle brackets, opening and closing brackets, this can be called as a tag. See, Ramesh is the content, strong is the keyword. Whenever you write this keyword inside the angle brackets, then we need to call it as a tag. Okay, so if you write this content, Ramesh content, okay, inside this strong tag, then this particular line can be called as element. What is it, everybody? Element. Understand, everybody? What is that? Element. Now tell me, what is this, Ramesh? What is this, Ramesh? Content. Okay, right. Then after, what is the strong? Keyword. What is that, everybody? Keyword. And whenever you write this keyword in this angle brackets, what is that? If you write the keyword inside this angle brackets, what is that? Tag. What is that, everybody? tag. Now we need to call it as line number 74 as a strong tag. What is that, everybody? Strong tag. And if the tag contains any internal data, internally, if you are keeping any data inside the tag, then that particular tag can be called as element. What is that, everyone? Element. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Hello. Hello.
Sir, clear, sir.
What about that? Sirisha,
Yeah, clear, sir.
Shweta, Sirisha, Vansi Krishna Ganesh. Respond. I'm asking each and every person, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. So this is about the hypertext markup language, and this is about this. Then after, how to save HTML files? We must save HTML files with a .html extension. What is that, everybody? We must save HTML files with a .html extension. Then after what? Okay, right. This is about the HTML related introduction. So from starting of the class to now, entire things are clear or not? Respond, everybody. From starting of the class to now, entire things are clear or not? Respond, today class.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah,
Then after,
clear.
okay, right. This is HTML related introduction. Then after, what is the basic code every HTML file should contain? So first line must be doc type HTML. What is it, everybody? Doc type HTML. This will specify the browser that the programmer is going to use HTML version 5. Simple words, if you write this line, browser will understand this is HTML version 5. This is not a tag, this is an instruction. What is that, everybody? Instruction. Okay, this is not related to any structure. It will provide, it will tell the browser that the programmer is using HTML version 5. Okay, right. Then after, what is this? HTML tag. HTML is the root element for entire web page. Okay, everybody, HTML is the root element. Everybody feels body tag. No, that is not correct. HTML is the root element for entire web page. Okay, everyone, right. Then after, HTML contains two child elements. What are they? Head tag and body tag. HTML has two child elements, head tag and body tag. What is the purpose of the body tag? To provide user interface. For example, here, everybody, in every browser there will be 3 sections minimum. Minimum there will be 3 sections. What are they? This is the title bar. What is that, everybody? Title bar section. What is that, everybody? Title bar section. Observe my cursor, follow my cursor. Title bar section. Then after, this is URL bar section. What is that, everybody? URL bar. Then after, this is I write wherever our application is starting. This is the user interface area section. What is that, everyone? User interface area section. So whatever the things you want to display in the user interface, whatever the things you want to display in the user interface, that related code we must write in the body tag. That related code we must write in the body tag. Clear it, everyone? Right. Sir, you told about body tag. Okay, fine, very good. Then what about head tag? So very simple, everybody. What is the importance of head tag is whatever the information we have about our web page, that information we need to provide in the head tag. Whatever the information we have in the, okay, about our web page, that information we need to provide in our head tag. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Okay, right. For example, meta charset UTF-8. This is not mandatory in latest browsers, but old browsers it is mandatory. Why? Because we are using English alphabets, but computer cannot understand English alphabets. Then after, what are we doing? We are not doing anything. Browser itself is doing. What is that? It has its own interpreters. So what is this interpreters will do? They will convert our code into binary code. So in that process, whenever our code is converting into binary code, each and every character it will assign only 8 bytes in the memory. Only 8 bytes in the memory. That is called UTF-8. In the UTF-8 format, there is 256 characters. For all the 250 characters, it will assign only 8 bytes for each and every character also. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Okay, right. This is called meta charset UTF-8. No need to have this one in our web pages, but it is default in each and every browser. But in old version browsers, it will throw error. Is this point clear or not? Respond silent, kindly. Don't be silent.
Clear, sir.
Okay, then after, what is this title? Sir, what is the use of this title? For example, whatever you specify in the title, that will display in the title bar section. For example, see here everybody, you are seeing here this thing also, and you are seeing here post attending Zoom. So this is the title. And if you observe here, this is, you will understand this is Gmail. By seeing this, you will understand this is Myntra. By seeing this, you will understand this is Google. Sir, what is the use? Very simple. For example, in a single web browser, how many applications I am opening? How many applications I am opening? See it, I have opened Gmail. I have opened Zoom. I have opened Myntra. I have opened what? Myntra. And I have opened Google also. So in a single web browser, I have opened so many. I have opened what? So many applications. Not only 4 to 5. I can open 10, 20, 100 applications also I can open. But if you are opening multiple applications in a single web page, serving a single web browser, then what happens? We will confuse which tab is containing which application. So that's why they will display with this icon with this title. Then what is the advantage? Users will understand, okay, this is google.com, okay, this is myntra.com, this is zoom.com, this is Gmail application, like that. So what are the application they want to go, they will click there. That is the advantage of the title. And it will be useful in the SEO also. Okay, everybody, I will tell you. This is about the title. Are you clear about this meta caption and title? Respond kindly, everybody. Respond, everyone. Sai, Rushi, Sirisha.
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. Shweta.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, this is about this. Then after, what is this meta name keywords and what is this meta name description? Sir, what are they? Very simple. For example, if you want to know about anything, what is the thing we'll do? Directly we don't go to that application. For example, if you want to read any news, directly we don't go to the Times of India, New York Times, or else Financial Times, something like that. Okay, everyone, directly we don't go there. Okay, we'll go to the Google, there only we will search. Okay, so for example, if you are new to the any country also, okay, if you want to purchase anything, first of all, we will search in the Google only. So we need to promote our application in the Google search engines, not only Google, other search engines also. That process can be called as SEO. So, sir, how can I promote? Very simple. Whatever the keywords user may search about your content, we need to guess that keywords we need to write here. For example, I am writing Levi's shirts for men. I am typing like this, Levi's shirts for men. Now observe everybody, what are we getting first? Levi.in. Then after Myntra. Then also here also you can see Levi, which is a default. Then after we are getting what first? Myntra. Then after Azio. Then after Flipkart. Then after Amazon. Then after Tata Click. Again Levi's. Like this we are getting. How we are getting? Because they are promoting about these keywords in their application. For example, observe this. Online shopping. So not this. This one observe. Say everybody, what is this title is content? Levi shirts. See everybody, what are you getting here? Levi shirts. Title is matching or not? Respond everyone. Levi shirts, the title is matching or not? Okay, so title is also useful in the SEO purpose.
Okay.
Not only that, for example, yeah. For example, I am opening this application, this particular this thing product. Now press that Control U. See it everybody, are you seeing here keyword site and description also? See it here on Levi's cotton shirt, casual shirt, see it. Almost these keywords are matching also. You can search here like slim fit, pure cotton shirts, or see it Levi's. Levi's is purely matching here. And shirts, top wear, apparel men. See men also matching. Levi's shirts for men. Okay, everybody. In the same way, you can give a little bit elaborate about that products also. Buy Levi's set slim fit, pure cotton shirts for men Levi's. See it 1374 under. Like that also we can write also. Clear it everyone, please respond. Okay, right. So this way it will be useful in the SEO purpose. So titles also, meta keywords and description also helpful for the SEO purpose. So that information, whatever we have, we need to specify the meta keywords and the meta description. Sir, I am a web designer. How can I guess? So yes, you are a web designer. You no need to guess. Every company there will be SEO persons will be there. There will be SEO persons will be there. Okay, digital marketing team will be there. SEO persons will be there. So those persons will guess. They will tell that keywords. So whatever the keyword they are giving, that keywords we need to keep in our keywords related content. Whatever the description they are providing, that related description, okay, that related content we need to provide in the content area of meta related description. Okay, everybody, this is what we are providing. So what are we providing? Information only. Sir, only information? No. We can call external CSS files and external JavaScript files also. Sir, only external CSS and only external JavaScript? No. We can write internal CSS and internal JavaScript also. So that is the purpose of the header tag. Okay, everybody. So this is the basic code each and every HTML file should contain. Okay, everyone. Right. So that's it, everybody. This is the class for today. Interested students can make the payment also. Okay, everyone. Right. That's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we will meet and we will continue our classes. And tomorrow onwards, I will start the practical examples. Whatever the code I have written here, tomorrow I will write in our computer also. Then after onwards, we will start our practical classes. Okay, everybody. Right. Thank you very much, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll continue. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Except Sirisha, everybody
Thank you.
can, yeah. Except Sirisha, everybody can leave.